So I've said the word write up, and I want to make it clear in this section how important it is for how you're going to learn and how everyone learns capture the flags. So basically, a capture the flag event occurs and it goes for a week or it goes for a weekend. But once it ends, the people who have solved these challenges are going to make a write-up on how they did it. Maybe they'll even make a video walkthrough. And it'll say all the steps they use, the tools they use, the commands they run, and then how they eventually got to the flag. Now, nobody solves every single challenge in every single CTF. It's impossible. So someone is going to solve all of the challenges. And that means that on that Monday morning after the challenge has the competition has ended, the challenge write-ups all get released by everybody. And you can go and find them on Twitter or on the sites or basically on blogs. They're scattered around the internet. And you can look at the write-up for the challenge that you couldn't solve that weekend and then work through it. And now the next time that you see a similar challenge, you'll be good. Or you don't even need to have played in the capture the flag that weekend. You can just go and see all the write-ups that came out, find a couple challenges that sound interesting to you. Maybe they fit into the category that you specialize in. And you just work through them over the rest of the week and feel pretty comfortable that if you ever see a challenge like that, you'll be good. And so that is kind of the philosophy behind this course. So you could go out and find all the write-ups you need, but it would take you a very long time. And as a beginner, it's just going to be hard to find good write-ups and write-ups that work and things that are in the right structure. The point of this course is really just a bunch of write-ups and walkthroughs in a structured format that build on each other so that each time you see one, it's going to be slightly harder than the last one you saw, but also kind of building on all of your previous knowledge. And then by the time you get to an actual competition, you have already done write-ups worked through a bunch of these challenges. So you'll see, you already know all the basic stuff. And then when you find something that requires just like one step higher than you already knew, it's going to be pretty easy for you to dig into what you already know, then go out and find the rest of the answer. So write-ups and walkthroughs are critical to capture the flag. Everybody uses them. If you write them, you're contributing to the world. I honestly did not write, I think I wrote one of the write-ups in this entire course because there's already some pretty decent ones out there. I will write more over time. For right now, I'm just getting this out here and I've quality assured all of these write-ups. So big shout out to everybody whose write-ups and walkthroughs I'm leaning on throughout this course. All of you random heroes of the internet making the world a better place, I salute you. All right, let's move on.